Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the square straw. Okay, use the given information about the volume of a rectangular prism, a box, to answer the questions. The volume is 7/88. The length is 7/11, and the width is 5/12. Oh man, this is giving my list a run for its money. Let's find the height. So fill in the blanks to the formula L times W times H equals volume. Okay, so basically this first one, we're setting it up here. So let's drop in the length. The length is 7/11. So drop it in there just like that. Here's the fraction form, number slash number, numerator slash denominator. The width is 5/12. So drop in 5/12 right there. And then the volume is 7/88. There we go. Okay, so the first part's pretty easy. You just drop in the information in the right place. Now we need to simplify the length times the width to make a one-step equation. So we need to simplify this part of it. So we need to multiply a 7/11 times a 5/12. So remember, when you multiply fractions, you connect and then multiply straight across. 5 times 7, or 7 times 5 is a 35. You're going to have more room than I made for myself in Schoology. And then 11 times 12 is 132. So 132. There we go. All right. So numerator over denominator, we're good to go. Now the nice thing is the volume is still going to be 7/88. So you just get to copy that. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4 of these blanks are just copying the information as you see it. Now, how do we solve this thing? All right. So I don't have a lot of space. I'll try to rewrite it right here. Technically, if I were doing this on paper, here's how I would write it. I would have 35 over 132 times h equals 7/88. Okay. Remember, to get rid of fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 132 over 35. So over here, now I wish I gave myself some more room. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to go 132 right here, and then a 35 right there. Here we go. All right, so these 35s cancel, this 132s cancel. So we have 7/88 times 132 over 35. Again, you can connect and then multiply. Spoiler, you can simplify a little bit sometimes when you're multiplying fractions. So like 7/35 would reduce to a 1 and a 5. So that's kind of nice. But anyway, multiply straight across. What do you get? I think when everything is said and done, it simplifies to 3/10. That's what I have. Okay, so always, always, always reduce your fractions to their absolute lowest common denominator and numerator without making decimals. So our height's going to be 3/10. Okay, that's not fair. Let me write that out really quick. So 1 times 132 is 132. Okay, and then 88 times 5. I don't have that number yet. Give me 1 second. 88 times 5 is 440. 440. Okay, so they're both even, so you could divide by 2, but looks like, spoiler, I think you can divide both of these by 44. Pretty sure it's going to work out. Divide by 44, divide by 44. Remember, there's lots of resources you can use to simplify your fractions, so use all of them, and then you'll be just fine. So, all right, so set up, simplify, solve. That's how you handle the square straw, and we'll see you in class.